Hello everyone, I am Sohrab from AgriMetSoft and I want to describe the in function on NCL, Ncar Command Language. I am using NCL on Windows, so I install the Cygwin on Windows and then install the NCL. If you want, you can watch the video in the description below to install NCL on Windows. Now I am starting Cygwin terminal and NCL. I should make a simple array with name D. This is a simple array. Now I want to find the index of members equal to 1 by using int function. I should print the result. The indexes of members equal to 1 are 0 to 3. 0 to 3. Again, I want to find the indexes of members less than 4. Less than LT 4. The result should be all of the items in this array. However, I will face to error because the length of a variable is 3, but the new result has 6 members. So I should delete the a variable, then run this line of code. The array has 6 items. I should delete the A array firstly, then run the code again. Now I should print the result. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.